Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Tip Time Thursday once again. And if you're enjoying my Tip Time Thursdays, please subscribe to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about spring cleaning. And in pre-production research, I found out that the history of spring cleaning has to do with Passover and the Persian New Year, which Passover has already passed, and I believe we're past the Persian New Year, but I'm getting ready to do some spring cleaning because I like to wash my windows as part of my spring cleaning routine. And I do it when it's warmer outside, which we're just getting to the point where it's starting to warm up again. And physically, it's said that warmer weather and increased sunlight give us an energy boost. So that's a really good time to open up your windows and give them a good scrub, a good wash, the windows and the screens, and have a clearer view of our beautiful world that's starting to warm up. Get some fresh air in your house, and that's when I like to wash my windows. My preferred window washing liquid is Windex. I just like it. I never have any trouble with Windex. It never leaves any streaks or anything like that. And we wipe in an S pattern. That's the best, easiest way to clean. And for those of you that like to make your own cleaning fluids, a good homemade window cleaner is 2 cups of water, a 1/4 cup of white vinegar, and a half a teaspoon of dishwashing detergent if you like to make your own. I really like Windex, not because them sponsored by them or anything like that, but I just think it's the easiest to use and it's never leaves any streaks. So thanks for joining me today on Tip Time Thursday. Wash your windows and welcome to spring.